Indices. You should be familiar with indices from earlier work you've done in mathematics. So if we consider a to the power b, you should know that the a in this case is known as the base, and the b is known as the power, or the index, or the exponent. And there's another term that we'll come across for that slightly later called the logarithm. So there's 4 different terms that are used for this. But obviously the topic here, indices, is derived from the use of the word index. You should be familiar with things like 2 to the power 5, being 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. You might not be familiar with negative bases, so we'll just have a quick look at this. I'm going to have a quick look at negative 2 to the 5 and negative 2 to the 6. Well, clearly this does mean negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 2. And if you put this into the calculator, you must put brackets around negatives. I've just put that one in the wrong place. So it needs to go right the way around the negative like so. Now, if we think about that, negative 2 times negative 2 would give me 4. So that's those two dealt with. Negative 2 times negative 2 would also give me 4. And then we're multiplying that by negative 2. So that would give me negative 32. And when we have a negative base to an odd power, it's always going to end up with a negative answer because we can pair them up like this, and then with an odd power there's always one that doesn't pair up. Remember, negative times a negative would give us a positive. So when we have an even like this to the power 6, so we're multiplying right the way across, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, we can pair these up like this, and that would give us a plus. Pair up gives us a plus, and they all pair up. So we'd get a positive answer, and this one actually turns out, if you evaluate it, to be 64. So it's worth noting with negative bases that when you've got an odd power, the answer will end up being negative. When you've got an even power, the answer will end up being positive.